Focus sa esteem. Focus sa esteem.
Hanap mo ba'y tahanan na kumpleto talaga? May gate, may fence, may tubig, kuryente at free moving pa. Wala nang problema, lipat na lang talaga. Sa First Park Homes, abot kaya ang saya. May amenities na hindi basic lang. Connected ka sa transport hubs at wifi, laging kasama yan. Payment options, sobrang convenient na rin. Sa First Park Homes, di ka mabibitin.
First Park Homes, home of many firsts. Your first home in the South by Team Dana. Go Team Batangas, sa kanila tayo magpa-reserve. May discounts and promos that you truly deserve. First Park Homes,
Home of many firsts.